Hello guys, in this video I would like to show you how you can install Node.js project in your Cpanel or Chip hosting. So I've got this hosting and it's about $4 in a year. Yeah, it's very cheap and it's good for demo stuff. And my project is about chatting app using socketio. You can get this kind of tutorial in Traversy Media, so I just follow them. So why not just put it in my hosting just for sake of test. Yeah, that's basic stuff. Okay. Okay, let's get started. So what you can do is just to make a domain. Here I'm going to make a subdomain. I'm going to call it just chat. Okay, so I like to categorize, make a folder for the subdomain. So that is our subdomain. Just quit. So I haven't created this folder, but we're going to make it later. After you make your subdomain, you just open your Node.js setup. Now you can see some of the apps that I've made before. So it's about postal code. You take the create application here. Okay, so it's recommended to use this 12 to 2, or maybe if you prefer another, you can choose here this root production. So the root folder is about how is your root. So maybe here is you can see in the server.js, so you just put it server.js on here, and application root is where your folder located. So just like in my subdomain is subdomain and ChatApp. So I usually put my folder as my domain, so just to make things simple. Okay, just like this, and you can create. So it's gonna make a simple, like a test project. You can find it here. New file manager and the subdomain. Actually, you can put it anywhere, but I like to put it here. So this Node.js setup will create a new folder called. So this is same as your here. No, so it's the same. So you can open it and it works. It doesn't work. Okay, it works. Okay, so you can open your project here. And basically you just zip all instead of not modules because you're gonna install it later in this Node.js setup. Put it in zip. Yeah, it's got solved on the for 24 KB. Yeah, and basically just drag and drop stuff. Easy peasy. New light electronic. Yes. Okay. So let's delete it. Okay, done. So you need to just restart the apps. I mean stop. I like to refresh this just to make sure that everything is synchronized well. It may take a while. Okay. So everything's working. All you need to do is just run npm install just to make sure that your file is the new one. You can see the edit file. Okay, now so it's your new thing. So by installing npm install, you're gonna install dependencies such as express moment and socket.io. Just run npm install and you're gonna wait a while. It takes some time. Okay, it's done. So after you successfully run npm install. What you need to do is just start the app. Okay, so it's done. So if you open here, you refresh moment of truth, and voila, easy peasy. Okay, so I'm gonna make like this. Just make sure that it's working properly. Okay, welcome to chat. Yeah, it works, baby. Yep. Okay, that's it. See ya.